I upgraded one of my first designs and tested it 3 different ways based on your comments. Now enough with the chatter, because these layers matter. Hey, welcome back to the channel. These are my first paint palettes. If you can see through all the paint, there are gaps, inconsistent lines and spacing, and hard corners and edges. Not ideal, but these have served me well over the years. Now it's time for an upgrade. We have 3 versions here, one with a clear nail polish coating, one we're going to use as a control, just plastic, no coating, and one with the clear sealant spray. And at the end of this video, we'll test to see if these changes make a difference in the cleaning process. For the design, I wanted to keep it same as the original. 2 hex flowers turned into a honeycomb, just more refined, with better spacing, cleaner lines, and smoother edges. Which takes a couple times because we want this paint palette to be super smooth, since that is the overall goal, and when the design was done, it turned out exactly how I imagined it originally. When I printed it, it was a little smaller than I expected, so I sized it up, and since I was on a roll, I sized it up again. Now I have 3 different sizes to put to the test. This one we're going to leave plain, and this one we're going to seal with a coating of clear nail polish. Now we'll take this big one outside to a ventilated area and seal it with a clear sealant spray. After painting for 40 minutes, each one cleaned up pretty nicely, but that was with wet paint, and I also used a ray. My problem was, with the ones that I've shown originally, I had each one dry first. So that is what we're going to do here. So I took some paint and added a little bit to each one and let it dry, so I could really test to see if the changes I made helped the cleaning process. Now that they're dried, we're going to test the cleaning by using nail polish remover, force with a flathead, screwdriver, and my fingernail, which worked alright on the first one, but the other 2 weren't so easy to come off. So let's give this nail polish remover a try. I got this remover a long time ago, so I'm not sure if that played a factor in why it took so long getting the paint off, or because I was using a Q-tip. It also has acetone in it, so I was not surprised when it discolored the PLA and left a white residue. I may try using a newer nail polish remover without acetone to see if it works better in the future. Most likely not with the one that I used clear nail polish to seal it, because that just removed everything. When using a screwdriver, you should probably use a little less force than I did because it can get destructive. Oh, except for that one, because that one came right off, unlike this one here, which is a little back to destructive. So there it is. What do you think? Would you use 3D printed paint palettes? Or what would you do differently? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.